Um, Pakistan's defense minister last week went on Sky News and admitted to backing terrorism. He actually said Pakistan has been doing the dirty work of the United States and the West, including the United Kingdom, for 30 years. Does Pakistan not provide safe haven to terrorists, as India is alleging? As India is alleging, it went after 9 terrorist camps Wednesday morning.
We've been dealing with the menace of terrorism. It's easy to speak in a studio, but I think we picked up 90,000 dead bodies in Pakistan in the war against terror. Post 9/11, Pakistan has been the frontline state against terrorism. We face terrorism incidents every other week. And Pakistan is a wall between terrorists and the rest of the world, and we continue to give sacrifices. If you want to talk about the Soviet invasion and go into a lecture of history, I'll be more than willing to do that. I'll get your number, we'll speak on the phone, and I'll explain to you what happened in the 80s with the Soviet invasion and all. But right now, Pakistan has suffered the Ja'far Express train hijacking. We had the courtesy to say that we expressed concern over the Pehlgam incident. We expressed solidarity with the victims, and we are willing to cooperate with an investigation. But did India even have the courtesy to condemn the hijacking of the Ja'far Express train incident? In fact, terrorists were being interviewed on Indian television. Not only that, exclusive footage from mobile phones of the terrorists was being shown on Indian television. So you see, Pakistan, even now,
did Pakistan condemn the attack on civilians in Kashmir?
Let me complete. As Pakistan, we've not only been fighting terrorism, Pakistan has categorically denied that we have any training camps. I took international journalists to a place in our Kashmir, which is called Bela Noor Shah, where India had alleged there are terrorist camps, and I took the entire media and showed them that place. In fact, I was supposed to take a group of journalists, international media, to Muridke, where India has attacked, and to Bhavalpur, where India has attacked. So there are no safe havens. We are fighting terrorism. We are paying
earlier
the
today,
cost.
we had India's Foreign Secretary